was a fun hike. That was really cool. The Hollywood sign was great. I just went to the front of it. There's like a trail you can do to like go to the back side of the Hollywood sign, but I think it's a little anticlimactic because then you're behind the Hollywood sign and I mean you can't see it. You want to get the front of it, so I took the shorter hike. It's like half a mile shorter. It's not that big of a difference. About half a mile shorter. I did that, then went to the Griffith Observatory Museum. Something else on my list I get to check off. After that, I went to this place called the Bronson Caves. You know, that was pretty cool. You know, it was just like one little cave, but it was blocked off. It was small. It was in the same parking lot that I parked my car, so I was like, I'll go there afterwards. So, love me some good old coconut water. So, a couple more things I get to check off. Oh, and I get to check off my medical debt. I get to check off my medical debt. I forgot about that. Finally got around to paying all that off. So, wipe my hands clean of any medical debt. Feels pretty good, to be honest. Oh, slowly but surely. Slowly but surely.